Get some glitter, paper, and glue, and you'll have the beginnings of a darling centerpiece for a spring soiree honoring any special queen in your life. A Studio 5 viewer actually wrote to us and shared her idea for this darling crown centerpiece. We needed more details, so we called her up. Dina Ochs is joining me from her home in St. George. Hi, Dina, how are you?
I'm great, Brooke. Good morning.
I'm so happy to be chatting with you, to meet you through the screen. Tell us what you did, Miss Dina.
Well, I created the first crown for a nonprofit event that I co-chaired last Valentine's Day. Since I was given a blank slate for this event, and I had to get my creative juices flowing somehow, I happened to be going through a box of my mother's little treasures. And in that box, I found a card that I had given her back in 1997. Certainly was that aha moment. And I knew right then that the theme of our event should be the Queen of Hearts Ball.
Oh, how cute is that? And you could adapt it. You have a lot of ideas on how you could adapt this crown for spring events coming up.
Yes, absolutely. What I love about these crowns is that they can be styled for so many different occasions.
Yeah.
You can use them for milestone birthdays, for princess parties, for bridal showers would be great.
Oh, I love that it takes up space. I love that it's creative and it's hands-on. It's kind of that handmade touch you can add to your event. Will you show us how to make one?
Absolutely. So what you'll need to do is get started by creating the base of the crown. And all you'll need is a plate and a deep bowl. You'll invert that deep bowl and place a piece of industrial strength tape right in the center to hold that plate securely on top. And then from there, you can start building the base of the crown by getting a 22 by 28 piece of glitter poster board. Now, I like glitter, but you can also use a plain poster board. You'll cut 3 pieces. The first piece will be a 3-inch piece, 3-inch wide, and then you'll want 2 2-inch wide pieces for the top. You'll take to create the base of the crown, you'll take the widest piece of your paper and you'll just join the ends together to create a circle. And then you'll want to staple that right in the center so that you can come back later and hide it with a gem.
And that becomes your base. The 2 more thin pieces of poster paper, are those the arches that go on top?
Yes, that's right, Brooke.
Cute. Staple.
Yes. So you'll staple that, and we'll just swap that out for this.
And how are you filling it with the flowers?
Well, with the flowers, you will take whatever bud vases that you'd like, or you can use a jar.
Yeah.
And then take some single stem roses or carnations. You can use baby's breaths. My personal favorite is hydrangea.
They're lovely. The way they spill out of the crown.
Yes.
And so just put that right inside and you've got yourself.
Just put that right inside your little vase. And what I like to do to give it a little bit more fluffiness is, and give it maybe a little bit more of an ethereal look, is to place a little bit of tulle around the base.
I see that.
Just wrap it.
Yeah, kind of the extra.
So darling.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, Dina, it's so cute. It's such a cute idea. Yes.
And then you add your gems. And of course, you want to take the larger of the gems and place them over those little staples that you put in earlier. And then you just tuck your floral arrangement into each quarter section of your crown. And there you'll have...
I love it.
Yes, it's so fun.
I love it. And so many adaptations and variations that you could do on this one project. I love that you gave a nod to your own mom, too, because this would be perfectly suited for Mother's Day. So, Dina, thank you so much. How can people follow you online?
You can reach me at 5 Crown Creations on Instagram and the soon-to-be website of 5crowncreations.com.
Oh, fantastic. Well, thank you for sharing your passion and your idea. We appreciate it.
Grateful for this time with you, Brooke. Thank you.